What's up guys, Karan here, and today we are gonna unbox sort of a unique phone on this channel. It's a phone that we spoke about in our podcast. It's a phone that has received a lot of attention due to its aggressive pricing and the features that it offers at that price. And also it's a phone that's developed by Nokia. And it's nothing else but the Nokia 1. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the Nokia 1 was launched by Nokia at MWC 2018 along with other phones like Nokia 6, the Nokia 7 Plus, and also the Nokia 8 Sirocco, its premium flagship. Nokia is surely making a comeback. It has a good lineup of premium smartphones, and now it's also developing a good lineup of extremely low budget smartphones that will serve well for certain markets. The Nokia 1 in particular is one such phone. It comes with Android Go. That is Android Oreo, the Go edition. Well, what is Android Go, you ask? Well, Android Go or Android Oreo, the Go edition, is almost similar to Android, but it's developed for phones with lower specifications, such as this one. Now it will support the Play Store, it will support all the Google apps, but it will have light variants of your favorite apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and stuff like that. So you get the gist. It's developed for phones that have lower specifications. That's pretty much it about Android Go. Now we are gonna go ahead and open up this box, unbox this phone, see what we have inside, how the phone looks and feels, and also I'm gonna give you a quick review of this phone. So let's get started. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at this box. On the front they have shown the Nokia 1, a visualization of that, a kid holding a finger, Nokia always connecting people. Nokia 1 on Android. On this side they have written Nokia 1. On the back they have some shots of the phone, and on this side they have mentioned Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition, what I was talking about before. It has a 4.5-inch FWVGA display. It has 1GB of RAM, 8GB of internal storage, expandable with micro SD card up to 128GB. That's great. It has 5MP rear camera and an LED flashlight and a 2MP front camera. Okay, since it's a budget phone. And also it has exchangeable covers, which are of course sold separately. Now that we have seen the box, it's time to go ahead and open this up. So let's see what we have inside. Okay, so first up we have our phone. This is a blue variant of the same. Also this comes in a red variant as well, I think. Let's go ahead and keep it aside as of now. I'm gonna talk about it later. Product and safety info, quick start guide, earphones, a charger, and the USB cable. It is a micro USB cable that comes with it, and also the battery. Now this one has a removable battery, 2150 milliamp hour battery to be precise. So well, that's pretty much it for the contents of the box. Let's go ahead, insert this battery inside, insert the SIM card, and let's go ahead and power on this phone, shall we? Alright, so that was a pretty simple unboxing, no fancy packaging. Even the phone itself came in a simple plastic bag, and no screen protector on the phone as well. But it has all the required accessories and it serves the purpose, so well, it's okay. Now, I was of the opinion that this phone would be of a cheaper build quality since it's a cheaper phone. But well, at a first look, I'm impressed with the finish on the back of this phone. The back shell of this phone is of a matte/satin finish, and it's really good. Like, doesn't grab a lot of fingerprints, feels good to hold, and overall it's really nice. Also, this phone is a bit different than others in the sense that it comes with a removable battery, which we are not seeing on many phones now. Also, it has a 3.5mm jack, which is still there on this. So reminds me of the old Nokia phones that had this removable battery. When your phone hangs, just pop out the cover, remove your battery, pop it back in, and your phone is good to go. So well, brownie points to Nokia for the design. Now let me go ahead, insert the SIM card, insert the battery, and power on this phone. Alright, so the SIM card is now in. Do note that this is a dual SIM phone, and no, you don't get any hot swappable SIM feature on this, but the micro SD card slot on this is hot swappable. So well, that's there. Now let's go ahead and power on this phone, and let me quickly set it up for you. Alright guys, so after I set it up, I have used this phone for a while, and let me give you my first quick impressions of this phone. Being accustomed to the speed of flagships, the Nokia one does feel significantly slower to me. There's noticeable lag in the UI even though this is almost vanilla Android. Android Go 8.1 Oreo. With Android Go, you get to use the Go or Lite variants of apps, and these seem to run fine on the Nokia one. You can also download the standard apps. I tried the standard version of YouTube and the videos lagged severely and YouTube crashed, so I wouldn't recommend that. This phone uses a very basic processor, so I'm not expecting much performance from it anyways. This phone also features a 5 megapixel rear and a 2 megapixel front camera, both of which are again pretty basic and okay for simple pictures. Nothing fancy in this department. The display is pretty basic too, good sharpness and adequate visibility, but since it has a plastic front, it's gonna be more prone to scratches, so screen protection is recommended. Also, this phone is IP52 water resistant, so minor drips on the phone, minor splashes of water on it should not be a problem for this phone. And anyways, when did the older Nokia phones have any problem with water? They were built like a tank, and this one feels solidly built as well. The finish is nice, overall device looks great. Performance is a bit slow, but can't expect more from a phone that's priced under $100. And well, that's pretty much it for the Nokia One. Alright guys, so that's it for the unboxing and first impressions of the Nokia One. So who is the Nokia One for? Well, if you have a really tight budget and you wanna buy a phone, this is for you. Also, if you just want to have a spare phone that can handle all your mails, your social media, your YouTube and everything, all the stuff at a subpar performance, then again this phone is for you. It's a good backup phone to have. It can handle all the stuff that a regular Android phone can, but at a subpar performance, which is not bad if you want it as a spare phone. So well, that's the Nokia One for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button below, smash that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications to get updates on my latest videos. And I'll see you in the next one.